how's it going? I'm Adam, welcome to Brixo Studios. And you might be a bit confused as why I've got the Dorado showdown set in front of me, because I've already reviewed it. And there's not much point reviewing it again, because I've already done it. There's not much point. And I've had an idea. I think it'll be quite cool. So this is one of those sets that I like it, but I don't really care for whether it's built or not. So I'm just going to have a little fun with it. So today I'm going to do a Lego build challenge. So I'm going to tear apart this whole set into pieces. I believe it's like 350 pieces or something, I think. Not particularly sure. Then it's all in pieces. I'm going to give myself half an hour, maybe 20 minutes. See what I can come up with. And I'll show you guys what I've got afterwards. It probably won't be much, because I'm not a very good builder. Like, in all my in my 10 years of collecting Lego, I've hardly built any mocks. Hardly. Like, and if they were normally like cars and stuff, and those were my imagination stuff when I was younger. Even now, my mocks like Felucia, they're honestly not that good, and yeah. So don't expect much. Please do not expect much. Like, yeah. But I'm just excited because it's one of these like quarantine stuff to do. Fun times while in quarantine. May as well have some fun with my Lego, because I'm limited to as much Lego as I can get, so I may as well just rebuild old sets into crappier designs made by me, which is, yeah. I'm just gonna make fun of myself for my building skills, because it's gonna be so bad. I know it's gonna be terrible, but yeah. Right, now I'm gonna go tear this thing down and rebuild it. Oh gosh. I'm going to regret doing this, showing you guys my terrible building skills. Oh, oh no. Wow, that is a few pieces, I suppose. Now I've got to have half an hour to build this. I'm gonna grab my phone here. I'm gonna have the timer. Well, no, stopwatch. Timer. I'm gonna set it for half an hour. There it is, half an hour set, and I'll come back to you guys when I have built my my mock. It's going to be terrible. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, but yeah. I really do not want to do this now. I thought it was a cool idea, but now I'm going to show you guys how bad of a mock builder I am. Anyway, enjoy a small time lapse of me building. Oh, jeez. So, the timer is finished. We have tons and tons of pieces left over, but we have a build. I have a build. And it is honestly not as bad as I was expecting. Like, it was going to be a house, then it was going to be a car, and then it turned into this. So yeah, that's what I made. It's a pretty cool starship. I'm gonna call it... What am I gonna call it? I have no clue, but I'm gonna call it... I don't know what I'm gonna call it. I really don't know. But comment down below, actually. Yeah, comment down below what you think I should call this starship sort of thing. It's from Star Wars, maybe. I don't know. It's like a frigate class, maybe, or something like that. Made out of junkyard parts, like those junkyard parts. Like, put a backstory behind it. Like, put a backstory behind the name if you want to. Like, give a little story or whatever. I don't know. Just be imaginative with it. And also, if you want to come, put some names that are not in the comments, come join me on London Bridge Bricks live stream on Saturday, the 11th of April. The 5 o'clock UK time, so translate that into whatever time where you are, US, Australian, Africa, I don't know. Well, come join me and come in the chat, because I'll be there building some set, talking with some nice dudes. And yeah, but yeah, it'd be really cool to come down. Suggest some names for me. Anyway, this build is really cool. I really do like it. I'm just going to put the camera down here, quick close-up review. So obviously, we've got the front using the yellow piece here, the red going up top, and I will show you how I did do this sort of thing. As you can see here, it's not got the brick side exposed, it's got the nicer side, the smoother side, and as you see here, it hasn't got the knobbly bit either, so I've used snort techniques, sort of, kind of, and I will take these off in a second after I've done the whole review to show you how I did that. These are door pieces, just connected to here. Pretty simple wings. There is no working doors, I just slot the minifigure in and you can take the cockpit off, as I did show. I mean, sometimes it does come up as a whole unit. But this is supposed to stay there. That is the cockpit with some lights on the back. I made a quite a cool view here, with a triangle sort of thing. I aim for that, it's quite cool. 2 thrusters, engines there. With the nice arches, they look very, very cool, and I do like the arches. On the bottom, we got the dish thingies that LEGO always use on their set anyway, so I thought I'd put them on. But anyway, down to this, I'll take these off and I'll cut back to you guys when I've done it. So here is how I did it. I used a 2 technique bricks. These are 1x16s, I think, to form this, and these are the main ones that form up the vehicle in the actual set. Took off all the plates. I might have used an illegal technique. So if we take this off quick, I did do this. I did pop these on the holes. I'm not sure if that's a legal technique. Please tell me if it is. I don't really mind. I don't really care though. But yeah, that is the set. Not the set. That's the mock. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.